Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for MyITLab. This is for ICS101, and the textbook and 75% of the course is going to come from this MyITLab course, and so we need a registration code. Let's copy the registration code here, and then let's go to MyITLab. We've typed in myitlab.com, and it looks like this. And we can now, we're going to register. We're going to register for that course, register as a student, and go down here, and you need an email address and the course ID. And we're actually going to take advantage of a 2-week free trial period that you can get for every course. So we're going to do that now. Just click register now, and when you get to this page, type in the course number that you copied from the website here. Click continue, and this comes up. If you have a Pearson account already, you can type it in here. Otherwise, you can create a new account. I'm going to create a new account. I'm going to type in an email address here. Type in yours, something you can have access to. That's a fine username. Let's see. And my first name. Let's see. My father's middle name, it's the same as my name. And I accept the terms and click create account. And this is the page where we can either pay or get temporary access. And so we're going to click this, but just to let you know here, if you use your credit card, you can click here, and for $99 you get the e-text and this registration, and so that's all you have to pay. And to be honest with you, the e-text is just fine. If you purchase the book from the bookstore, if you purchase the book used from a friend last year, you will still need the registration, so then you would pay $89.95. If you purchase the book from the bookstore, then you get an access code, and you end up entering it in here. Now, you will be able to have all three of these options if we just get the temporary access, and we have 14 days to pay. So let's just click here. One good advantage of the temporary access is during that period you get to see what the e-text looks like. So I'm going to click this option, yes, and we wait here, and we're done. So we can actually just go to my courses, and I'm going to close this, and this is our course. We can click here. Let's see. And you can read this. It's the first time. And the course is actually here. Click course materials, and if you look on the syllabus, you see the grading policy consists of the end of the chapter quizzes for 14 chapters, these grader projects for 13 chapters, and these simulation exercises. These simulation exercises and the end of the chapter quizzes are straightforward. They're multiple choice and so on. The grader projects, you actually download a document, make some modifications to it, and then upload it again and get graded from that. And I'm actually going to be making videos for each one of those, so those can help you along, and those are coming. So let's go back to we're in course materials on our website, and this is the textbook. You can have access to it here. There's an iPad version. Let's see. And this here, this is the first chapter here, and there's an e-text especially for this chapter. This is a very good chapter to read. And then there's this the end of the chapter quiz, and this is the first end of the chapter quiz that we see here. That's why there's 14 of them. It looks something like this. Questions and so on. And so if we go back here and go to the next section, which is Office Features, this is the next section, and in Office Features we actually have another end of the chapter quiz. And then this is the first grader project. And so I'm going to be making a video for this one just after I'm finished with this one. And we can go back to the course, and let's go to the first Word chapter. Here's an introduction video, which is very good. These videos are very good, very professionally done, short. And this is the first chapter where we have a quiz, we have a simulation training, and you basically step through that. And if you get stuck, it gives you hints. You click and it gives you hints, and if you really can't get it, then it tells you exactly how to do it. And then and this is another grader project. So starting with this chapter, you have all three of these, and so you're in here, and so for 12 chapters you're doing all three of these. Anyway, so that's how you get started, and so thanks for watching.